Today we're going to be talking about our 8-channel dry contact over T1E1 multiplexer, our mini channel bank TC8612. The easiest way to find any of our products is by referencing our product matrix. Simply choose your transport column followed by your interface row, and the product you're looking for will be at that intersection. The TC8612 can be found under the T1E1 column under the dry contact row. Each product number is clickable from our product matrix, and the link will take you to our webpage for that product. The TC8612 offers a simple and effective plug-and-play solution for transporting dry contacts over T1E1, replacing complex T1E1 channel banks for small-scale applications. A typical application would be bidirectional dry contacts, typically linking RTUs, relays, controllers, telemetry, and other equipment with digital IOs, as previously mentioned. Let's talk about some of the features of the TC8612. This product transports bidirectional dry contacts that typically link up RTUs, relays, controllers, telemetry, and other equipment with digital IOs. Diagnostics include dip switches for local and remote loopback and other application configuration switches. Each unit also provides multiple troubleshooting at a glance LEDs for quick and easy diagnostics. As with all of our mini channel bank products, the TC8612 is equipped with an R2 button, which allows users to check and reset disruptions on local and remote units. Please watch our video on this feature. The link is in the description. As with all TC Communications products, the TC8612 can operate within a standard temperature range of -20 to 70 degrees Celsius, and an extended temperature option is available from -40 to 80 degrees Celsius. Looking at mounting options, the most supplied TC8612 is housed in what we call our standalone unit. However, a rack-mountable 1U or 4U is also available. Please visit TCComm.com. You can find all of our products by clicking the drop-down menu here, or by scrolling down to our product matrix here. You can also find all of our videos by clicking the link here. And feel free to get in touch with us by clicking on Contact Us in the top right corner. Please like and subscribe for more content, and thank you for watching.